Okay. So this screen here, it's a little hard to tell. We'll talk about this a little bit more. What this is supposed to be highlighting here are custom buttons and custom links. Do we use custom buttons and custom links quite a bit? Okay. On page layouts, how about on things like the Home tab? Yep. Okay. And what we do too, a lot of times, you know, the out of the box is things like Google Search, Google News. We tend to add a lot of links for things like special reports, right? So if customers have certain reports that they want to see on cases or something like that, we'll add that to the Home tab so that it automatically passes the running user's ID, and you can see all cases where they're the case owner at a quick shot from their Home tab. So those little things help the users quite a bit. We actually tend to, a lot of times, to move the things like new task, new event, send an email, and we just replicate those buttons as custom buttons and put them right on the home page. Because a lot of users, you guys know, a lot of users, for some reason, they have a real hard time with the related list, right? And it's like, honey, just hover over the related list and click new. Nope, click on the related list, drop down to the end of the page. So we're trying to kind of keep them focused in one area. Okay. We talked about data quality and how data quality is so critical to all the adoption. We want to take the variable of bad data out of the equation. There are many, many different tools out there, right? These are a couple of examples. These are the free examples. We all know there's demand tools, there's Informatica, right? And those are all great tools and they have a lot of power to them. But some of our customers are 4 or 5 seats, right? They just don't have the budget right now to be able to do a big app. So we go to Dupe Catcher, we go to the data quality analysis dashboards from Force.com Labs. Those are great because you can assign scoring. It's highly configurable. It's an unmanaged package. So when I had a customer service group, you know, we had things set up like if your subject on your case is less than 5 characters, you're getting a 0. You know, a support case should not have a subject of help, right? It's got to have something more substantive. What is the problem? How many folks have seen this? This has been out since about 2007. 100 sample formula fields for customizing Salesforce. No? Okay. All right. We have a link to this in the electronic version of the PowerPoint. This was something that one of the MVPs back in 2007 put together, and it is literally 100 different formula fields for Salesforce that just range the gamut. Things using the image function, things using the previous val and prior val function, things using reg edit, and all those kind of advanced formula functions beyond simple if, and, or, right? And so it gives you a whole series of samples, and it is posted publicly. As I mentioned, this is the detail behind. Let's see, anything additional? So you can see here we've got the hyperlinks, and Jody, actually, if you click the 100 sample formula fields, I think yep. Or maybe not. We'll double check that. So, okay. All right.